It's Ritzy Cupcake. Guess how many pairs I have?
50? 50?
I have 102.
102?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So that's why it doesn't fit in there.
I'm pretty sure I've still got some pairs of socks in the washing machine as well. So we've neatly organized all of my pairs of socks and laid them all out here so you can see them all nicely. These are all the socks that I bought from Japan. So I realized that the first time I went to Japan, I bought a lot of unnecessary things. The next time I went to Japan, I limited myself to buying just socks as souvenirs. So that's how I accumulated quite a lot of socks, as you can see. These are just socks to wear at work with heels in summer. So I'm going to pick the socks that I can't live without, and then we'll go from there. So that's pretty much this whole section here. So I guess I'll just be getting rid of some of those black ones. We're gonna fold them like this. So we're gonna put the print down, and then we're gonna put the tops up and fold the toes into the hole. So like that, and it makes it compact and flat, and then ta-da, there's a face. And you can easily identify what your socks are. Because I've not really seen the bottom of my sock drawer for a while, I didn't even know I had these. So I'm like, where the hell did these come from? So they're pretty like new looking as well, so I don't think I've actually worn them yet. Which is something you can probably say about a lot of my socks. These two are like a matching baby and mummy. I think some of these I can chuck in my Lolita section. So these aren't even all my Lolita socks. Those are extra. So I've culled 14 black pairs down to 5 black pairs. One for every day of the working week if necessary. These are all socks with side bows, and I'm not too sure how to do these ones. Ended up folding it like this so the bows stick out on the sides. Got the bows on like the sides like this, and then I just bring that forward, bring that in, and tuck it in. Like so. Ta-da! Now the bows aren't crushed and it's still uniform with the others. So we've organized my socks. This pile here, this one here, is all my toe socks. These here are all my character ankle socks and just normal ankle socks. And this pile are just like bow socks. These are all normal length socks, and these are all knee length socks or like bed socks for winter. And this pile here is like my general J fashion socks, although I found a couple of Lolita socks in here as well, so I'll need to take those out and put them with all my other Lolita socks. And this one was actually a pair of stockings. So that's gonna get out of this drawer and into my stockings drawer. These socks are all really new. I haven't worn them yet, so they've got their own thing going on here. I'm just going to leave them flat so that they aren't disturbed. And this is my little chuck pile. It's pretty small, but it's more than what I was chucking before, and hopefully it enables me to fit all the other socks into this drawer here. It's not that big of a drawer, but we're gonna see what we can do. All of these socks are gonna have to fit into this drawer. Fingers crossed. We've quickly put together this makeshift sock organizer just from leftover cardboard. Let's hope that it sticks well. And look what we have here. We've done it. So everything's managed to fit in there, and I think I actually have some space for some new socks. Let me know what you thought of this organizational video in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.